In today's Gospel, we meet a man suffering from leprosy. In Jesus' time, leprosy was not only a disease but was a life of isolation. People stayed away from the sick. They were treated as unclean and unwanted. This man does something courageous. He comes close to Jesus. He kneels and says a simple but honest prayer. Lord, if you want, you can make me clean. He believes in Jesus' power, but he leaves everything to Jesus' will. What Jesus does next is striking. He stretches out his hand and touches him. Jesus could have healed him with a word from a distance, but he chooses closeness. He chooses touch. In that moment, before the healing even happens, the man experiences dignity and acceptance. This shows us the heart of God. God is not afraid of our wounds, our sins, or our brokenness. We often think we must first fix our lives before coming to God. But the Gospel tells us the opposite. Healing begins when we come as we are. The man came rejected and broken. He walked away, healed, restored, and brought back into the community. Today, Jesus is still reaching out his hand. The question is simple. Will we come close and trust him?